Print and apply your own labels. Select one or more products. From your product list, your selected labels are printed. The pictures and details are changing automatically. Use a roll rewinder with a label applicator to apply the labels. The layout can be arranged how you like. You can preview the merging designs before printing. Labels can be any size or shape. Nice job! Label printers, applicators, with labels in over 5,000 sizes. See us at ktecgroup.co.uk.